It's Brooke's World, and we're going to be doing Truth or Dare with my special guest, Delaney. Hi, I'm Delaney, and I am Brooke's best friend. And today we are going to be doing a Truth or Dare game. And that's Brooke's mom. She's just leaving to go do some stuff and
Errands
and things like that.
Yeah.
And there are going to be some really stupid things, and we're not going to be chickens, so we're probably going to be doing all dares today, which is good for you guys. If you want to have another Truth or Dare video, and you can comment down below, and also you can give us some dares to do, and we can put them in a bowl, and we can pick out, and we'll have to do the dares, both of us. So today, how it's going to work is that there's going to be one person, and so say Brooke Brooke's gonna do a dare to me first, or a truth to me first, and then we're both gonna have to do the truth or the dare, okay? So that's how it's gonna work today. And first, we're gonna start off with Brooke.
Yeah, so we gotta set the iPad up and we're gonna do the dares. I want to be able to set it up
So here, I can hold it.
No, turn it around.
So
There, perfect.
So first,
Oh, it's so
I already
idiotic.
did this one when you guys weren't watching, and then Brooke's mom came and told us about it. So Brooke is going to be
Running around like this, saying I'm a nerd.
Yes, and she's going to be running up and down the block. So I'll help you guys with that.
You're gonna have to video.
I'll help to video her. So
Flip the camera around.
yep. There. There's Brooke. Brooke, we can't see you. Hey, you have to go to the trailer. That's where I went.
I'm a nerd!
Yeah, but I screamed. You were like, I'm a nerd. Okay, I feel this.
Okay, let's
Okay.
go to the next dare.
Okay, so
Give me that. Yeah.
So now I get to do a dare to Brooke. So my dare to you is
Don't say chug a Pepsi.
no. We already did that. You have to let's see here. What's a good one? I really need you guys to help me on this.
I'll help you.
Let's see. Wait.
Say goo goo gaga on the ground.
No, go up.
Licking a flower.
No, go up to one of the neighbors. And do a cartwheel on their driveway. That's what you have to do.
Oh! You have to do it first.
No, this time you have to do it first because
Oh.
I had to do it first when it was my turn, so you have to do it first on your turn.
Oh God, no!
And it has to be on your neighbor's driveway. So like their driveway or their driveway or something.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Okay. Let's do it.
Okay. Wait, I'm not ready.
Video me.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wait, no, not there. You don't have to knock on their door. On the driveway, I said. There, Brooke did it. Now it's my turn.
Okay. Oh my goodness, I like this.
Now, I also want you to leave in the comments down below who is better at doing a cartwheel, me
Or moi.
or Brooke.
Yes, I'm way better.
Yeah, I know. Guess how many years she's been in gymnastics? She's been in gymnastics for 5 years. And I'm better than her. Comment down below.
And I didn't know how to do a cartwheel a while ago.
So comment down below who you think is better. Say me. Say me.
I heard that. Okay, so it's my turn. It's my turn to dare
And
you.
also, who has better hair? Kinky or braids? Look at the fat braid. Look at the braids at the back.
Don't touch my
hair.
Okay, I dare you to go knock on
no,
the
you have
neighbor's
to ask
door.
me truth or dare.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
I dare you to go up to one of the neighbor's house,
Yeah.
knock on their door, and do a stupid dance.
No. That's
Chicken.
No, but Brooke, you can't do that because that would kind of be ding dong ditch. Ding dong ditch.
No, you have to stay there and do stupid dance.
That's kind of a ding dong ditch.
No, leave in the comments
And then
if that's a
just run-
ding dong ditch.
Well, it's not a good dare because you could get in big trouble for doing it. By one of the neighbors.
Well, not by
They could
those neighbors.
suspend you.
How could they suspend me?
They can.
No, they can't.
They could.
They're not going to sue me for doing a dance on their property. I go over to their property all the time. Same with them.
And
Pet their dogs. And pick their weeds. And dance under their flowers.
okay.
I'm weird.
Okay, now do a different dare.
Okay,
You probably wouldn't want to do it either.
oh, I dare you to lick that dog.
You have to do it too.
Yep, I know. Okay, wait, not yet. Okay, she has to lick the dog. Lick it.
I did it.
No, you didn't.
You can see it.
Okay,
Right
she
there.
did it. Okay,
I did it.
she did it. No, I gotta do it.
Brooke, do it on the black so we can see it.
No, you literally see I'm licking. Oh my god, I hate my life.
There. See, you can see it. There you go. There you go.
Oh my god. Okay, give the up.
That's for your information. Okay, now your hair is to get ready to do some nasty stuff.
Oh, I have a good one. But I'm not gonna do it.
Go and hug the tree and lick it. I didn't say you had to.
I'm not licking the tree.
You can lick it any way. There's any way you can lick it.
Okay, fine.
So wait.
Come up with me.
Yeah, I know. Wait.
Oh, this is a painful tree. So, you have to do it too, Delaney. Get in here.
Yeah, I know. I have a way I'm gonna lick it. I have a way I'm gonna
So
lick
do
it.
I.
Oh, she touched her tongue to this part and she hugged it. Okay, so now you do it to me. I didn't say how you had to lick it.
You said you had to lick the tree, though. You have to lick it in real life.
Your saliva has to touch the tree. That's what I mean. Your saliva has to touch the tree.
Mm-hmm.
So there's a hug, and
Oh,
licked it.
God. Cheater, pumpkin eater.
no, I said your saliva has to touch.
No, you said lick it.
Yeah, I licked my hand. I licked. I didn't say how you had to lick. Owie.
You deserved it. Okay, now I have to dare you.
And you have to do it too.
Yeah, let's see here.
Has to be a trickster.
Huh. I dare you to hop in one of my garbage cans.
Okay.
Wait, not yet. We're doing truth or dare. That's my Auntie Mackie.
Is that part finished?
Yep. Jump in the one with less stuff in it. Okay, that one or that one.
I'm doing this one.
Okay, this is what she's jumping into. Watch out.
Not that bad.
Oh,
Okay,
Delaney,
that's
I have an idea. Okay,
Okay.
hold this camera. Yeah. Okay. We're going to move the ladder so then Delaney can walk into it. This is going to be so hilarious. You have to go all the way in it.
Wait. I'm in.
She's in! Oh my goodness.
But I was touching plastic, so it wasn't actually that bad.
Yeah.
And
So-
my body parts didn't actually touch anything. So.
Yeah.
Brooke, you have to do it. All that touched garbage was the bottom of my feet,
Okay.
not the top.
Okay, you gotta come up here.
There's Brooke. There she goes.
Oh my goodness. There's a vacuum in here.
Yeah.
Why in the heavens is a vacuum in here?
Hey, you gotta go all the way in. There's your Brooke. Oh, there's Brooke for you. You guys. Oh.
Weird, awkward, and
Okay.
now dirty.
And I didn't even get through.
How am I getting off?
Hallelujah.
Delaney, stop embarrassing yourself. Oh God, what are you showing? The most embarrassing thing in the world? That's your next dare.
What?
Do that?
No.
No, I'm not doing that. Okay, so Delaney's turn to dare.
Okay. Okay, Brooke, we're gonna assume that you don't have to do what the other person did. Okay?
Okay.
I dare you to go ding dong ditch.
Done.
And I don't have to do it. Fine.
Who should I do this?
So you have to press their doorbell or not, and then run away. Hey, I'm not ready.
Who should I do it?
I don't care.
It already breaks, Delaney, you idiot. Okay, I think it's supposed to do that. Because you're on the yard. Let's do Shayla's house. It's starting to rain. Okay, let's go. Come on.
Okay. Ding dong.
It's worse because they have a dog. Move it around. Okay, we gotta do dares in here.
Okay, so there's not that many bad ones you can actually do in here.
Okay, let's go downstairs.
Okay.
We're going downstairs to do more dares.
Yep. Is it starting to rain outside? It's starting to rain outside. It's starting to rain outside.
Oh, that's good.
That's really good, guys.
She wants to stay here as long as she can.
So that's good.
Let's have some freezies.
Okay.
We're having a freezy break, people.
Yeah. Freezy break.
What color? Blue.
Okay, so we already had one of these, so they were good.
Oh, wow.
Blue. Blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
Okay, please. Take blue. I'll take one.
My mom said share one. Okay. So
No, I don't know what it is.
no, that's not good. That's not a good idea.
Come on, people. Freezy break. Excuse me, I need a knife here. My mom said it was okay that we had one a while ago.
That's not very
Right
fair.
up there, I think.
Right there.
These aren't bad to have.
We're doing a video. You're
Clean the water.
Yeah. I would like this one.
okay.
Put this in just.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
love freezies.
So do I.
Yeah.
So do I.
Blue's like the best.
Yeah.
We're gonna do dares right here.
Okay. Wait, no. Let's go to the bedroom to have our
No,
freezy
right
break.
here because it's a good dare.
No,
We
let's.
can hop in
We
there.
need to go to our freezy break in the bedroom and watch like TV or something.
Oh God, the light.
Dark.
Pitch black.
What happened?
Oh, somebody's gonna kill us.
We're good.
Yeah.
I love them.
Okay, you just flip it around. Flip it around. Flip it around.
Okay, you guys get to watch a movie with. Well, you get to watch us. With freezy.
We gotta have a bit of a break.
Mhm.
We could do dares while we watch a movie.
Yeah.
So let's see here. Netflix. Oh, Delaney, I dare you to hop in the laundry basket.
Why? That's the worst dare ever.
I know. Way worse than the ding dong ditch.
Okay.
It's hard. And if you break anything, you're paying for something.
I mean.
You gotta get all the way in. What do you want to watch?
The
It's like a Friday night. We're just,
doll movie thing.
oh, Arlstein, the Haunted Hour.
Okay, I went.
This show is really new. It's really good. If you guys like scary stuff, this is perfect.
No, Daddy. I'm through with dolls.
Oh no. Okay, you have to dare me to do something.
Okay.
So what did that doll do to you?
What do you mean?
You're lying about something. I can tell.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Yes, you do.
Dare me to do something. Oh, I have a good dare for myself.
Just like the sea.
To go through the fan.
Okay.
You gotta video me. Guys, this is what I gotta go through. No, video it, Delaney.
Alright.
Video me on the ground so you can actually see me. Delaney, hold my freezy. I'll put it on the ground. No! Ah!
It's good.
Delaney, look at the camera. Oh god, I can't. I can't. I'm too fat. Yeah, I'm too fat. Oh wait.
Oh, calm down.
No, just different.
Yeah, I can't fit through the fan, guys.
Okay, it's fine.
Oh, it's stuck in my butt.
Okay.
I need my freezy. Okay, Delaney, I gotta dare you. I gotta dare you. So,
No, let's. While we're having a freeze, I don't want to dare.
okay, we're gonna stop it here. We're gonna do a part 2 right after this. Bye, guys.